You see a big stock price drop and you want to buy the dip, but you are completely terrified that it is actually a dangerous trap that will never, ever recover your hard-earned money. But the US market is not a chaotic mess. It is actually a very simple, repetitive cycle. Today, I am going to show you the 4 seasons of the stock market so you never accidentally buy at the absolute top of the market ever again. Welcome to Season 1. This is the accumulation phase, which I love to call the secret market sale. The market feels incredibly boring. Prices are not moving, and the news tells you everything is horrible. But here's the secret. This is when the big, smart money buys quietly. This is actually the safest time to buy stocks, even though it feels the scariest. Next is the markup phase, also known as the giant market gold rush. The price trend turns up quickly. Suddenly, all of your friends are talking about making money. But danger is here. This is where FOMO kicks in, and everyone starts buying high. Then we hit the distribution phase. The market stops going up and moves sideways. Remember my last short video warning you about this? The smart money is selling to latecomers. Finally, the markdown phase. The big crash happens and everyone panics out of fear. But wait, a crash is just a giant clearance sale for strategic people who understand the big picture. So tell me down in the comments right now, what season are we currently living in? Hit subscribe because the moment this cycle resets, you need to know exactly which stocks to pick. I'll see you in the next phase.